Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. My lovely students of class 1, welcome back. On behalf of Multan Public School and College, I am Anila Rehan, your math teacher. So my lovely students, in our previous lesson, we have learned about counting to 10, counting in numbers 1 to 20, counting in words 0 to 10, and 2 times table. So my dears, we have completed the first chapter, that is numbers to 10. Today in this video we will learn about comparing and ordering numbers, and in that lesson we will learn about concepts of greater and smaller, concept of greatest and smallest, and concept of more and fewer. So my lovely students, get ready and open your book. My dear students, open your books at page number 7. What can you see here? Yes, these are some rabbits, carrots, squirrels and nuts. Are there more rabbits and carrots? And are there fewer squirrels and nuts? How can we tell that? Look at here. There are some rabbits and there are some carrots. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, these are the 4 rabbits. Let's count how many carrots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, look at here. These are the same. These are having the equal numbers. Yes, there are 4 rabbits and there are 4 carrots. There are as many carrots as rabbits. The number of carrots is the same as the number of the rabbits. Here we have this concept of more or fewer. Here you can see 2 jars. In each jar we have some balls. In which jar we have fewer balls? Yes, we have fewer balls in the right jar. In which jar we have more balls? Yes, we have more balls in the left jar. In the right jar we have fewer balls, and in the left jar we have more balls. So we have to count the squirrels and the nuts. Let's count how many squirrels are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 squirrels. And how many nuts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 nuts. How many nuts are there? There are 6 nuts. 6 is more than 5. Look at here. 6 is more than 5. There are more nuts than squirrels. Yes, squirrels are less than the nuts. 5 is less than 6. There are fewer squirrels than the nuts. What can you see here? Now look at here. Compare the number of snacks. Here is a table, and on table we have 3 plates, and in each plate we have some snacks. These are the yummy snacks. Here we have donuts, cupcakes and the cookies. Which plate has the greatest number of the snacks? What is the greatest number? Greatest means the biggest number. So we have to count all the snacks. There are 3 cupcakes. How many cupcakes? There are 3 cupcakes. And there are 5 cookies. How many cookies? There are 5 cookies. So 5 is the greater number. 5 is greater than 3. Look at the number. 5 is the greater number than 3. And 3 is the smaller number than 5. Let's read it again. 5 is greater than 3 and 3 is smaller than 5. So, there are 3 cupcakes and there are 5 cookies. And there are 7 donuts. So, we have to compare the numbers. Here we have 3 numbers, 7, 3 and 5. So, we have to find out which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 3. So look at the number 7. 7 is greater than 5 and 7 is greater than 3. So 7 is the greatest, means the biggest number. 3 is smaller than 7 and 3 is smaller than 5. So 3 is the smallest number. So again we have to revise it. 7 is the greatest number and 3 is the smallest number. 7 is greater than 5 and 7 is greater than 3. Then we have seen that 7 is the greatest number and 3 is smaller than 7 and 3 is smaller than 5. So we have seen that 3 is the smallest number. Which is the greatest? Yes, the biggest number, that is 7. This is the greatest number. Then comes 5. And which is the smallest number? Yes, this is 3. 3 is the smallest number. So we can also start with the smallest number. So which is the smallest here? 3 is the smallest number. Then comes 5 and then 7. Open your book at page number 9. Look at here. What can you see here? Yes, there are some butterflies, the beautiful and colorful butterflies and the flowers. So which set has more things? Set A or set B? In set A, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 butterflies. And in set B, there are 1, 2, 3 flowers. So which set has more things? Yes, the set A has more things. Now question number 2 is there. Which set has the fewer things? What can you see here? There are some cups and there are some sausages. So let's count. How many cups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many sausages are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which set has the fewer things? Yes, very good. Set D has the fewer things. Are there as many sharpeners as rulers? How many sharpeners and how many rulers are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 sharpeners and 1, 2, 3. 3 rulers are there. Look at here. These are the same numbers are there. They are as many sharpeners as rulers. Again, look at here. There are as many sharpeners as rulers. So, they are having the same number. Same as. Now, compare the number of hangers and the number of shirts. How many hangers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many shirts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, look at here. The number of hangers is the same as the number of shirts. They are having the same number. So we have to write same as. Look at here. S-A-M-E, same. A-S-S, same as. The number of hangers is the same as the number of shirts. So my dears, we are having a worksheet with the concept of more and fewer. And the question is circle the group that has more. So here are some objects. Look at carefully and circle the group that is having more objects. And here is another worksheet with the concept of greater and smaller. And question is, circle the number that is greater. So we have to circle the number that is greater. Here's a recap. So my lovely students, you have learned the following topics in this video: comparing and ordering numbers, concept of greater and smaller, concept of greatest and smallest, concept of more and fewer. And your homework is do page number 12 and 13 on book and do worksheets on notebook, and your worksheets will be sent to you through WhatsApp. Stay home, stay safe. We will meet with the other interesting video inshallah next week. Till that time, Allah Hafiz.